Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. BINTUL Muslim Council is back with yet another grand workshop for us all, and you are specially invited. Join us for an unforgettable celebration of talent and tradition. Girls from Maharashtra, come experience the magic of masaledar skits, captivating acts, inspiring speeches, soulful naat, taranas, and much more. Let's create memories together at this exciting event. Spread the word and multiply the fun. Don't forget to invite your friends, family, and everyone you know to join in on the excitement. Let's make this gathering a vibrant celebration of unity and joy. I'm hoping to see you all there. Until then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is Ifa from Pune, Maharashtra.
बिनते मुस्लिम है कितना प्यार